Everyone, welcome back to a Python programming series. Today we are going to be talking about functions in Python. So you will be wondering, what are functions? Functions are fundamental concept in programming that allow us to break our code into smaller and more manageable pieces. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Function can take input in the form of argument, and they can also return values. Here's an example of a simple function: def greet parenthesis names, closing of parenthesis, then colon, then print hello plus name plus exclamation mark. So for declaring a function, we use def. Here, as we use def greet, and then after declaring def function, after declaring a function that we are starting a function, we are giving a function name. So here, as we have given greet as our function name, after that we are giving parameters. This name is the parameter, and under that we are giving what this function will do. So here this function will print hello, and whatever stored in this parameter it will show here, and then it will show exclamation mark. So in this example we define a function called greet that takes an argument name, and the function prints a message to the console that greet the person by name. To call a function, we simply write its name called by parentheses and any argument we want to pass to a function. Here's an example for that. Here I am writing greet parenthesis John parenthesis close. Output will be hello John with exclamation mark. So let's run it and let's see the output. So as you can see here, it's giving us hello John exclamation mark. So um, in this example, this is how we getting the output, and now we will see how we get output with return value. If we write return after a function, how will we get it? So a function can also return values using the return keyword, as I have written here. And let me make it a comment, yeah, so you can focus on this. So for what will be the output for return? It will give us the same output, just that it will not give us the same output as this. It will give us different, because the variables are different, the parameters are different, and the things the program have to do, the function has to do, is different. So in this example, we define a function called add numbers that takes two arguments, x and y. The function returns the sum of x and y. We can store the return value of a function in a variable. Here's an example for that. Result add number 5 3 print result. So in this example, we call the add number function with the argument 5 and 3 and store the return value in a variable called result. We then print the value of our result to the console. Now, function can also have default arguments, which are used if an argument isn't provided when the function is called. For example, as we have created here, this def greet name print hello plus name. In this example, we define a function called greet with a default argument of world. If we call the function without argument, it will just print world, like def name. If I do it here, def name equals to world. Now it will just print world. It is printing this one. I didn't call this function name, so it's not printing. Let's call this function greet. As you can see, hello world. It's just printing hello world because name is stored under name is having a value world. So that's all for today's video on a function in Python. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions for further videos, please let me know in comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.